Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to hide tagged photos on Instagram. So first of all, open up the Instagram app on your iPhone or Android. Once you are here, then you need to go to your profile. So click on your photo at the bottom right hand corner. So it will take you to your profile. Now at the just above the photos, you can see three options for the photos, then for the reels, and then for the tagged photos. Okay, now we want to hide the photos from the tagged ones. So what you're going to do is select any one of the photo, open the photo. Now on the top right hand side you can see manage option. Click on manage. Now again at the top right hand side you can see select option is coming. Click on select. Now select multiple photos. Okay, just like this, maybe this one. Okay, so I selected 4 ones. Now at the bottom you can see two options, either to remove it or to hide it. So I'm going to click on hide. So you still be tagged in these photos, but they won't appear in your profile. Click on hide option, and just like this you can hide as many photos as you want from your profile, the tagged ones. Okay, so thank you for watching the video. Please like it and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.